I've realized something important. Nobody cares about you as much as you think they do. I was chatting with a friend recently, and he told me he's feeling really depressed. There's so many things he wants to do, like starting an entertainment channel and selling stuff through it, but he just cannot get started. He kept worrying about what his friends and family would think. He's scared they'll laugh at him for trying. Now, I've known this guy for years, and honestly, I barely even read his posts on social media, even though he posts quite often. I told this to another friend, and he said, "Yeah, I don't really care either." I laughed, because it's kind of funny how much weight we put on what others might think. My friend is depressed because he cannot get things off his mind, and he's scared of being judged. But the truth is, nobody really cares that much. Everybody's busy chasing their dreams. Honestly, I used to feel that way too, but eventually I just started doing what I wanted anyway, without worrying so much about what people think. And honestly, getting that weight off your chest, actually doing what you want, is a blessing. So if you really want to do something, just go for it. Of course, do not hurt anyone along the way, but just do it. That's all I wanted to share. Nothing too serious. Wishing you all a great day ahead. Peace. It's pretty cold today, so having some hot food by the campfire with this amazing view, it doesn't get any better than this.